Hello everyone and happy Lodi to all of you. And today in this video we are just going to see lesson plan on the topic safety first. This is for class third, okay? And this is for EVS, but the same topic is there in science also, so you can use the same lesson plan for science with some few modification. You can use this, okay? So topic is safety first. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you're watching me for the first time, then you please do subscribe my channel, because on my channel you're going to get BA related video as well as PDF also. And if in the PDF all you have to do is you just have to comment me in the comment section below. You will get the PDF also for this lesson plan. Now let's see this format. You can see previous knowledge. So for previous knowledge, what we have to write is students are aware of many rules that we need to follow while traffic rules they are already aware of. So because they're in third class and this chapter traffic rule is there in that top in the class also, so they are aware of not very much, not every, but few of the rules that we need to follow on the road, in a bus and in a car. All these things they are aware of generally. So what we basically want to teach to them, to enable them to understand many rules that we should follow for our safety while we are in our in our home, at home, in a bus, in a road, in a car, okay? So we are basically going to tell them safety measures, okay, that we need to follow. Specific objectives, you can see the same things I have added here, like what we want to teach to students, what are our aim behind teaching this topic. We have to kind of mention all those things, okay? And here for teaching aids, what we have to write, whatever teaching aid we are going we are carrying with us while we are teaching to students now. So we have to carry few teaching aids related to this topic, so we have to mention all those things here. So here you can see format of our lesson plan. Overall look here you can see. Now let's turn the page and comes our important part, that is introduction question. Okay, first question we have to ask, we can ask like, why should we always follow traffic rule? Then student will try to answer that to avoid accidents on the road we have to follow traffic rules. Can you tell me few of the traffic rules that we need to follow for our safety? Then they will tell about all those things like red color, yellow color, all those things they will try to say, okay? After that we have to like give 3 or 4 things that we should or we should not do. Like we should always put on the seat belt, then student will answer yes, then student will take this. We should run on the road, wrong. Do not touch switches, right, okay? So these are all the things that we have to explain. These are all the safety measures that we follow. After that we have to ask, what are safety measures? It would be problematic for students, okay? Here you can see objectives and specification: to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. After that, here you can see statement of him. Means after asking few of the question to students, teacher has to announce the topic. We have to say, today I'm going to teach you topic safety first. And after that, we have to write the topic on the blackboard. Here you can see overall look of our lesson plan. Now let's just turn the page and let's see here. What's that? Presentation 1. Here you can see teacher has to explain everything properly, like 4, 5 or 6 minutes, okay? Here you can see how we have to like means whatever is main important point we have to kind of write on the blackboard to highlight that main thing or main point, main topic or whatever we can say. So like this we have to write here, as well as on we have to like explain these things to students. After that, after explaining properly, teacher has to ask few questions related to that. Here you can see 4 questions. Why should we not touch switches and gadgets? Where should we walk? Like this question is related to safety on the roads. So on footpath, what should we use to cross busy roads? How should we get on and get off. Okay, a bus. This is the expected answer that we basically expect from students. Here you can see blackboard work. Okay, now after that means explaining everything means teacher has to once again means after explaining for 5 to 6 minutes, teacher has to once again with help of any teaching aid that she is carrying with her, she has to once again explain. So here I have mentioned teaching aid chart. Teacher explain with help of chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid what we have to write chart. Okay, presentation 2, here you can see safety in car. So we have to explain all the safety measures. Okay, here you can see question related to that. You can see here 2 questions I have added here, and this is the expected answer basically that we expect from students. Okay, here you can see blackboard work. Now this is the overall look of our lesson plan. You can see here. Now let's turn the page and let's see the rest part of presentation 2. Okay, here you can see rest part of presentation 2, explanation part. Here you can see questions, third question, fourth question, and here is the answer. Okay, if you are finding any problem, if you are kind of facing any problem, you can ask me in the comment section below. Here is the blackboard work. Now here's skills. Teacher has to once again explain with help of chart. Teacher shows a chart, students observing a chart and teaching it. For teaching it, we have to write chart. Okay, now here you can see recapitulation. So for that I have added here 4 questions. What do you mean by safety? Why you should not leave your toys on the floor? What is zebra crossing? Should we block the rear view mirror? Here is the answer, you can see. Okay, now here you can see overall look. Okay, now let's turn the page, and this is the last paper, last part of our lesson plan, application and evaluation. Fill in the blanks, you can see. So I have added here 5 questions, 5 fill in the blanks, you can see here clearly. Use dash to cross busy road, always walk on dash, make a dash to get on or get off a bus, put on a dash while in a car, never take any tables from dash. Home assignment, so for perfection of their knowledge, teacher has to give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic safety first. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.